Today we got something not quite junk wax. Topps Chrome Black. Got ordered 3 of these from Topps.com for $150. Thought I was gonna flip them on eBay, but apparently they made more than I expected. But broke even on the 2 boxes, and I thought I'd just crack open one. So, 4 cards, 1 encased chrome autograph, 1 refractor. So we're guaranteed at least a couple of good cards. Oh well. I was opening this all wrong. So it's in the Celio. Alright. And our encased is Nico Hoerner. Not bad, not familiar with him, but we'll see what his cards are going for on eBay. Trying to be as gentle as I can. So we've got Bryce Harper. These are really neat looking cards. So Bryce Harper, Mitch Garver, and there's our parallel, Chris Paddock. That is a 85 of 199. So that's our total of 4 cards. I've heard of Bryce Harper, so I'm familiar with that one. I am. So yeah, that is my my whole 1 Chrome Black. Wouldn't say too bad. I looked up the checklist to see if there was anybody I just want for a personal collection, and probably be easier just to buy the ones you want rather than buying a ton of these boxes hoping to strike gold. Alright, so that's what I've got for that one.